This is a quick tutorial on using the new Polyline editing features. These features are valid as of version 2.31 in VRGS. So let's first of all start off by drawing a polyline. We can use individual points, or we can drag along where we want to digitize. If we hold down the Shift key, we can move the model and then resume digitizing where we left off. If we want to reduce the spacing between the points when we're dragging, we can go to Interpretations and Polylines, and we can change the minimum digitizer spacing here. So at the moment we're allowing a point every 20 centimeters. If I make this a point every half a meter and then carry on drawing, we should be able to see the difference. So double click to finish, and then when I look closely at this, we can see where we've been dragging with the 20 centimeter spacing, and then when we change the spacing here, you can see the points are further apart. Now there's some of these points that we want to edit, and I can simply do that by selecting from the Interpretations tab, Move Vertices. I can then click on a point that I want to move, and you see it's changed its type, changed its display properties from a cube to a more diamond shape, and then I can simply move that point to wherever I want it to. To come out of Move Vertices mode, simply select another mode, so we might want to draw a polyline, or you can click on Move Vertices again. So we'll run through that again. We're drawing our polylines. We've got a minimum digitizer spacing of half a meter at the moment. Double click to finish. Select the line. We see the vertices we've got in the polyline. We can then go to Move Vertices, click on a vertex, and then move them to wherever we want. The same editing procedure works for geobodies, so we'll draw a geobody, double click to finish, move vertices, select the geobody, and then we can select the vertices to move. So the geobody or the line has to be selected before we can move the vertices. So if I click on that now, the geobody is being deselected and the lines become active. Let's draw another polyline here. 1, 2, 3. Double click to finish. Right. We can then say I want to join that polyline with that one. So select it, select the first polyline, hold down the Control key. Oops, to make sure we're not in Move Vertices mode. There we go. Hold down the, select one polyline, hold down the Control key, select another, then we can select from the polyline drop down Join Lines, and the joint lines will be joined together.